Well, boys, I am back from vacation. I am rested, and I am ready to give you some more camper content. I'm sorry, I was off for a month and I didn't have any camper content. That's why I gave you the Dune Cat. I love the Dune Cat. It's not done yet, though, as you've seen. Thank you for watching. So, here's our camper content for today. Should I buy it? I'm going to look at a Shasta. I do not know what year it is. I know it's not pre-66. It's probably a 67, 68. Could be a 66. Probably somewhere in there. I don't know. It does have a title. So Lillette and I have loaded up, and we are headed to Skiatook, Oklahoma to look at a 15-foot Shasta. Now, it looks just like those last couple of compacts that we did, only 15 foot instead of 9.5 feet. So, let's see what it looks like. We are headed north on Highway 75. We are out here in Indian country. That is not a slur, that's what it's called. We've got about another 7 minutes until we are at our destination. Kind of just wanted to let you look at what it looks like out here, out in the country. It's a beautiful country, it really is. We're heading to Skiatook, Oklahoma. That is a Native American name, and they are famous for a few things, but it's kind of a smaller town, really growing now. But they have a very beautiful lake called Skiatook Lake, of all things. And it is a good fishing lake. It is a very good lake for water sports as well. We kind of got caught behind this school bus, but I am in no hurry because I think I'm a little early and I don't want to beat the guy home from work. And here you go. You'll see right here on the right-hand side, Skiatook Lake, Tall Chief Cove. That's a big one to put in. Boats. I put in there a few times. All right, this guy's going to let us out. Here's 86th Street north of Wasso and Sperry. But we're going to drive directly into Skiatook. So I'm going to let you just kind of watch this in fast motion. We are almost here. I'm going to try to find it. I don't know. When the owner said that he does not want to be on video. Let me check this one here. Okay, we're getting closer. But he doesn't want to be on video, so we're going to be a little more discreet than we normally would be. We should be coming up on it here any minute, but oddly people do not have in their mailboxes identified. It's in a field, he said. It should be over here. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for numbers on a mailbox, which doesn't seem like that should be that difficult to do. 1, 2. Well, that's not even right. Oh, we passed it. Let's go back around. Okay, we found it. I think it's a 65. We're going to get the title and find out. Definitely a 15-footer. Wow, okay. Obviously, I couldn't take you around. The owner did not want to be on camera. Turned out to be a super cool guy. I wish he would have been on camera. Who doesn't want to meet a super cool guy? But we're going to insert this, and it will constitute what I saw. Did you ever wonder, when I go to, should I buy it? What do I take with me? I take a set of tires and wheels. Got that giant saran wrap. Little floor jack. some wood, Gorilla Tape, and of course we got to have our our wrench to take and replace. Then I take some great big ratchet straps in case I have to wrap the whole thing. Those are each like 20 feet. Then some screws and the drill. Then there's more wood on the inside that you saw, or you're going to see me installing in a little bit, I think. I don't know, this is wildly out of order, but let me show you what we got, okay? Well, okay, we're missing a window here, but he did give us a stack of windows, panes. So they open up. He said these operate fine. Well, yeah, we have to get some new glass minimum for that. I don't know, we might even go with a new window up front that I've got. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. You know, it's in shape, good shape for what we wanted. This window opens. This window opens. You can see here on the inside what we had to do on the way home. I didn't try that window. This window needs some help, but we will, looks like, be able to use this window. Nice little bumper on there. And that window is going in the trash. I don't like those at all. I think he said it didn't work anyway, but I don't know. We'll talk to the customer, the potential customer. I don't want to put her in a spot. Oh, look at that. Heck yeah. That's on there. We'll clean that up for sure. If the potential customer wants that. That window opened up just fine. We just do new doors now. I mean, that's just where we're going, so I had to screw that in to keep it closed. Oh, got that. Heck yeah. Okay, let's go on inside. And the Bargman works. We'll have to see if we can get a key made, but it looks in good shape, good enough shape to get a new one. You know, as we come around, he said, the fellow we bought it from, he said, the guy got it, got started on it, and he went to get it, and then he just had too much other things to do. And so he did watch our videos, and he said, let me unload this piece of, you know what, on Rob. No, I'm telling you, he was a very nice man, young man. And, but he did say he watched our videos, and he knew that this was just the right shape for us. And he was right, not much to reuse, but that's okay. We can make everything we need to make. She's big on the inside. It's only a 15-foot trailer, and you know that's where I draw the line. So wheel wells are good. We've got the door template. We got the template for everything we need. And the windows will be salvageable. I don't know about that one. But I've got a couple of Scotty windows from the 80s that are big. And the potential customer likes big windows. So, okay, that's where we are. That's what I wanted you to see. She's tall, boys. She's tall. All right, on to the next video. The owner was very realistic on what this is, as you saw, and the shape that it's in. So guess what? We bought it. As you know, I don't leave too many behind. It's got to be so bad for me not to do it. But we got it, and I got a lady already inquiring on it. So hopefully the next video that you see is me tearing it down and making it live another 30 years. Had to pull over. Got a problem. Not a huge problem. That one side's a little juicier than I thought it was. Let's go inside. I think I'm gonna just try to hit it going across here if I can. I don't want to lose any of these windows, honestly. That's the main thing. Okay. If I can get a few more, lots of rat poop in here. But that's neither here nor there, especially for these kind of campers. I think the more I can, yeah, see, I think we're making hay right there already. I think that's the best one to go to it. This looks a little wore out, but it sucked it up pretty good. Pretty good. Let's do one more right here. These two are broke. Not broken, they've just come apart. I think I'm gonna get a couple more screws and just maybe one more board to be safe. I don't care if it tears itself apart, just not off the road. I don't want to lose those windows. Okay. I think if we could go right here. Oh man, these screws are way too long, but that's what we got. Okay. Good there. Now I think I want to go right down here and maybe suck this thing up. There we go. That's really helpful, actually. Maybe I'll take this little one right here. I just don't know if anything's real stable on here. That's not. Maybe if we go from here to here, we might get some action. Let's see what happens, if we can. Okay, maybe one here. Okay. Well, let's try it.